In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Woocommerce store. Ensuring the safety and security of your online store is paramount, and I'm here to guide you through this essential process with ease. So, let's dive in. To begin with, you'll need to head over to WordPress.com. It's the one-stop platform for everything you need to build and manage your website. Once there, navigate to the upper right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard, the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your website. Now that you're in the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find the Plugins button. Click on it to proceed to the Plugins section. Plugins are add-ons that allow you to extend and expand the functionality of your WordPress website, and in this case, improve its security. Next, you'll want to add a new plugin. At the top of the Plugins page, there's an Add Plugin option. Click on that, and you'll be able to search for the specific plugin we'll use to boost your site's security. Type WordFence Security into the search bar and hit Enter. WordFence is a robust security plugin designed to protect your site from attacks, malware, and other threats. As you scan through the search results, locate WordFence Security. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it to view more details about the plugin. You'll now see the option to install the plugin. Click on Install and wait for the process to complete. This typically takes just a few moments. Once installed, the button will change to say Activate. Be sure to click Activate to enable the security features provided by WordFence. With WordFence now installed and activated, you've taken a significant step towards securing your Woocommerce store. The plugin will provide you with a security dashboard overview, regular site scans, firewall configurations, and much more. Make sure to explore these features and adjust settings according to the needs of your store for optimal security. Remember, securing your store is not a one-time task. Regularly update WordFence and your other plugins as new security patches are released. Additionally, maintain a habit of reviewing your security settings and staying informed about the best practices in e-commerce security. Thank you for joining me in this guide on securing your Woocommerce store. By following these instructions, you've fortified your online business against potential threats, ensuring a safer environment for both you and your customers. Happy selling and stay secure.